I just want to share my experience with this product and why I'm giving it 5 stars. Honestly, I was surprised at how easy it is to use. Normally, with this kind of tool, you'd think you need prior experience, know how to solder with tin, or have some special skills. But that's not the case here. I'm not an expert in soldering at all, but right out of the box, I was able to use it without any issues. It's super intuitive. Basically, you plug it in and you're good to go. It saved me time, effort, and even money, because I didn't have to hire someone else to do the job. What I really like is how practical and efficient it is. No complicated setup, no confusing adjustments. Just straightforward, and it works exactly as promised. You can really feel the quality, and it gave me the confidence to keep using it for other little fixes I needed around the house. To sum it up, whether you're a total beginner or someone with more experience, this product just works. It's easy, quick, and reliable. If you're looking for something practical and hassle-free, I highly recommend it. Definitely 5 stars, well deserved.